Welcome to a moment that motorcycle enthusiasts have been manifesting for years. We are witnessing the absolute rebirth of an absolute icon, reimagined for a completely new era of riders. This is the 2026 Yamaha V Star 11 Silverado, and it is here to completely shatter the status quo of the cruising world. Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional motorcycles, because this machine is a massive paradigm shift. The sheer level of detail Yamaha has poured into this 2026 concept is nothing short of mind-bending. It radiates an aura that immediately commands the room, flexing an aesthetic that feels entirely out of this world. Looking at the silhouette, you are instantly hit with a vibe that flawlessly blends unapologetic muscle with high-end luxury. The designers have sculpted this bike with lines so sharp and fluid, it looks like it is cutting through the wind. Even while parked on the curb, it is an absolute masterclass in visual storytelling and premium road presence. The way the light catches the custom tank is a sight you have to see to believe. Yamaha ditched the standard flat paint jobs for a dynamic, multi-layered chromatic finish that shifts its mood. Depending on the angle of the sun, it is a flex of epic proportions that proves they are entirely in their own lane. When it comes to styling, and let us talk about that front fascia, which is dripping with pure swagger. The traditional headlight has been swapped for a massive, hyperluminous LED halo that pierces the darkness with surgical precision. It gives the bike an intimidating, futuristic face that is bound to break necks. Wherever it rolls down the boulevard, down to the micro details, the level of craftsmanship is genuinely staggering. The contrast between the blacked-out mechanical components and the subtle brushed titanium accents creates a visual harmony that feels heavily curated. Every single bolt, badge, and sweeping curve has been placed with obsessive, unmatched intention. The stance of this motorcycle is downright aggressive, yet it promises an invitation of absolute comfort. It sits low to the tarmac, hugging the road with a predatory crouch. While the sweeping aerodynamic fenders wrap around massive tires, this is not just a motorcycle. It is a rolling piece of modern art built for the streets. Taking all these unparalleled aesthetics in, it is clear that Yamaha did not just want to build another bike. They wanted to craft a legacy piece, a definitive statement that pushes the boundaries of what a cruiser can look and feel like. Today, the 2026 Silverado is an absolute stunner, setting a ridiculously high bar for the entire automotive industry. To truly appreciate where we are going with this concept, we have to respect where we came from. The original V Star 11 was an absolute legend on the pavement, known for its bulletproof reliability and unmistakable classic soul. It was the quintessential American-style cruiser, built with flawless Japanese engineering. But times change, and the demand for smarter, faster, and bolder machines has skyrocketed over the past decade. The 2026 concept bridges that historic gap perfectly, keeping the raw DNA of the OG Silverado alive while injecting it with a heavy dose of the future. It is the ultimate crossover of heritage, charm, and next-gen dominance. When you compare the old iteration to this new titan, the evolution is absolutely staggering. The classic chrome-heavy wide-bodied look has been leaned out and muscularized for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. It has traded in some of that nostalgic bulk for a sleek, menacing athleticism that today's riders are currently obsessed with. The exhaust system is a perfect example of this old meets new philosophy that Yamaha is pushing. Visually, it pays homage to the dual pipe sweep of the past, but the acoustic engineering hidden inside is completely revolutionized. It delivers a deep, throaty rumble that satisfies the purists, while easily beating the strictest modern emission standards. Even the saddlebags, a legendary staple of the Silverado nameplate, have been completely reimagined for 2026. Instead of the classic studded leather, we are looking at hard-shell aerodynamic compartments, with biometric locks seamlessly integrated into the rear fender. It is a massive glow-up that adds insane utility, without compromising the bike's sleek profile. The instrument cluster is where the nostalgic charm totally drops the mic and embraces the future. Instead of a chunky analog dial dominating the handlebars, Yamaha integrated a stealth digital display that only comes alive when the ignition is struck. When turned off, it looks like a smooth blank piece of custom-machined billet. This delicate balance of preserving the soul while overhauling the tech is exactly why this concept is going absolutely viral. Riders who love the classic feel get their nostalgia, while the new school bikers get the cutting-edge tech they desperately crave. It is a brilliant design strategy that makes the 2026 model wildly and universally appealing. Moving beyond the stunning visuals, the true magic of this beast lies in what happens when you finally twist the throttle. This is where the 2026 V Star 11 Silverado steps out of the concept realm and proves it is built for serious road supremacy. Let us dive deep into the completely overhauled performance, dynamics, and real-world rideability. The beating heart of this absolute monster is a liquid-cooled 1100C CV twin engine that has been radically re-engineered from the ground up. It is a relentless powerhouse, designed to deliver face-melting torque, the exact millisecond you ask for it. The power band is incredibly linear, offering buttery smooth transitions through every single gear. Taking this titan into the city is a completely unexpected and highly rewarding experience. Historically, heavy cruisers were a chore to navigate through tight urban grids and chaotic heavy traffic. But the 2026 Silverado boasts a wildly low center of gravity and a feather-light hydraulic clutch that makes weaving through city streets feel totally effortless. It practically dances around potholes and tight corners with an agility that will leave you absolutely speechless. The refined ride-by-wire system translates your wrist movements into precise, jitter-free acceleration without any lag. You can cruise downtown at extremely low speeds and feel totally in command, catching every envious stare from the sidewalk. But out on the open highway is where this motorcycle truly claims its throne as the ultimate touring machine. Once you hit the interstate, the bike settles into a mesmerizing rhythm, devouring miles like an absolute apex predator on the hunt. The engine hums with a refined confidence, completely free of the fatiguing vibrations that plagued the older generations. The suspension setup on this 2026 model is practically pure black magic. Engineered into metal featuring adaptive electronic dampening, the bike literally reads the road ahead and adjusts the shocks in real time before you even feel the bump. Whether you are hitting a nasty bridge, expansion joint, or smooth fresh asphalt, the ride remains incredibly plush. Cornering on this cruiser is a revelation that defies basic physics and totally levels up your confidence. Thanks to a rigid new frame and performance-focused geometry, you can lean into sweeping mountain curves with aggressive swagger. The floorboards are tucked just enough to give you stellar clearance, allowing you to carve the canyons like a sport bike. Stopping all this massive momentum is handled by an overhauled braking system that simply does not play around. We are talking massive floating dual rotors up front paired with lean, sensitive ABS that works flawlessly in the background. Squeezing the brake lever feels firm, highly predictable, and delivers enough raw stopping power to halt a freight train. Every single mechanical touchpoint has been refined to offer a premium visceral connection to the machine beneath you. The 6-speed transmission clicks into place with a satisfying, robust certainty that lets you know you are riding top-tier engineering. It is an incredibly rewarding setup that makes every single journey feel like an epic cinematic event. Now, let us talk about the totally unseen, elite features that literally no one else